Hey there, what is up, beautiful world? Welcome to Mandatory Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made a fantasy kitten. I always start with the head. It just gives you a really good place to start. It helps determine how big you want the rest of the body to be. I start with a ball of tin foil and adjust it till it's the size and shape I want. A tin foil base helps make the head lighter for when we add clay. Now time for sculpting. I just sort of smush the clay all over the head till I get an even layer all over. The clay I'm using is Original Sculpey, but pretty much any polymer clay will work. Now that I've covered the front of the face with clay, we can add a cute little kitten nose. How I do this is simply by taking a little ball of clay and sticking it to the front of the face, and then shaping it to my liking. My computer is hanging out in the background there because I was looking up a reference photo. These can be really helpful, especially if you're making a more realistic creature. Now it's time for the eyes. These are just two little balls of clay that I stick onto the face where I think they should go. And then I shape them into sort of pointy ovals. The eyelids are just rolled out bits of clay. They help add definition and shape. Now that we've got the eyelids done, it's time to add some definition to the end of the snout to give him some cute little kitten cheeks and a nose. I know that right now my kitten looks a little bit like a bunny, but just bear with me, I promise I fix it. Ah, there we go, a little more feline looking now. After this are just a few more finishing touches and cleaning up the nose and mouth. For the mouth, I just made a little depression in between the cheeks with my thumb where I thought it should go. Then to make the lip, I just rolled out another piece of clay, stuck it right back into that depression to make a cute little frowny face. Now all that's left is to outline the eyes. This will make it a lot easier when it comes to furring the face. Trust me, you'll see why in the next video. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make my day and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in part 2.